Hi friends, you always need to choose a great theme for your website because selection of theme makes your website successful. And at WP Themes channel, I always showcase the great themes for you. And in this video, I have Concho. This is a business services WordPress theme. And if you are in plan to make a business consultancy services website, this video is for you exactly. Concho is the best business WordPress theme designed for business such as consulting, corporate, finance, trading, insurance and consulting companies, and the developers are my all-time favorites design themes, and they are of course Power Elite authors, and they actually made wonderful WordPress themes. I have seen all the themes working very nice, developed by design themes. I must appreciate the developers, and this Concho is the best consultancy WP theme that comes with the exciting pages like menu, services, case study, career and blog pages to display your consultant business services. And if we talk about the demo website, this is the stunning demo website of Concho WordPress theme, and it has of course a very professional look, and you can choose this theme without any doubt for your upcoming business consultancy or similar category website. It has great design, stunning look, clean and aesthetic pages, and you can check any page working very fine, and this theme loads very fast, so it is going to be another advantage at your website, and it is having very professional and interactive navigation as well. So you can choose this theme for your upcoming project without any doubt. In this video, we are going to install the Concho WordPress theme and a fresh installation of WordPress. The latest version of WordPress has been installed with me with the 2021 WordPress theme, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack, I have the licensing, Concho main theme file, child theme file, and some premium plugins are here. So we can check what plugins we got in the theme pack, and these are the plugins. So JS Composer, Layer Slider, Revolution Slider and Ultimate VC add-ons. Okay, fine. So we can proceed towards the installation. Go to the WordPress theme section, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose concho.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in the WP content theme folders. I'm doing the same, it will save some time. And the theme file size is very light, it is just 10.37 MB. And don't get confused, you can upload the theme from WordPress interface, from this screen, or either directly on server, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back, extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Concho folder, and so themes got outside. It should be in a folder, in fact. So I'll do, let us check where it comes. Go to the theme section of WordPress, and okay, so it got disturbed. So what I will do, I'll just move all the files in a folder, and Concho folder is here, and now I am selecting all, in fact, and just leaving the previous folders, 2021, and the index.php should be out from this list. And rest of things can be moved in Concho, CONCHO. Okay, now we have all files in this folder, and it is fine, I believe. And let us check this screen again. Okay, so okay, let me do it once again. Now what I'll do, I'll extract it in a folder, in fact, and extract. If we talk about extract, so I can put a folder extension here, CONCHO, and extract files. This should be good. And now we have the Concho here, and now we can check whether it is fine or not. Yes, now it is good. So what we can do, we can now delete the zip one, and if you are having trouble in this or doing all this what I did just now, you just simply upload the theme using this add a new interface, I mean WordPress interface, that will work fine. This is the option, upload theme and choose file, and you upload the concho.zip file here. Now since we have already uploaded the plugin, we can theme, so we can now activate it. And what is the details, let us check. So Concho version 1.7 is here, it is by Design Themes team, and Concho multi-purpose theme for websites. Okay, fine, that is good. And now upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins to run this theme, and let us check what plugins are here in the list. And these are the list of plugins for running this theme, and this is Design Themes core feature plugin, Design Themes sample estimator plugin, and Kirki toolkit, layer slider, revolution slider, ultimate add-ons. And this theme uses Unison framework, this is here, and WP Bakery page builder is here, contact form 7, and WooCommerce excelling e-commerce. Okay, fine. The Invator Market is also here. So I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go, just skipping the Invator Market, that is not required. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid an error. And if you are in plan to take the hosting plan with WP themes, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. So rest assured, you shall be getting the good one along with the theme, and you can choose while ordering the theme that comes in very negligible price, in fact. And now all the plugins has been installed and activation has also been done, so we are fine to check the website how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of Concho, and it is of course without any demo content. And now at this stage we need to have demo content to make a target website like this. So this is going to be our target website. And now I'll find where the demo content option is available in this installation, and we will go for the demo import. And after that I'll show you the theme options and the customization options. All in this video only, but let us finish first the demo content. I'm just clicking on Concho options. It may have demo import option, I believe, and if it is not here, theme editor, install plugins. Okay. Under tools, it is not here. And okay, so this theme uses Unison, so I believe we need to install the extension of Unison called backup and demo content. Yes, this is here. Just install it, backup and demo content. And now the backup and demo content at Unison has been installed and active now. And now the demo option should be here. Yes, it is under tools now. After installing the Unison extension, demo content install. Okay, so at this screen we have the default demo and it has live preview as well. So we can simply click on install, and now the Unison demo imported has been started. And I must tell you that Unison demo imported takes time, but it works very fine, and it also resizes the images. So at this screen it is going to take around 4 to 5 minutes as I assume, but it may be earlier, it may get completed at earlier, but we have to be on this screen without any refresh or leaving this page, and your due patience is required here if you need to have a demo website like shown in the demo website. And once the image size restore gets complete, it is actually 552, so out of 552, 530 has been completed, and the process is going on. And as it would be complete, it will direct it, it will navigate to the home page automatically itself. So it is now complete, and now it should direct to the home page, and it is redirecting to the home page, our website. And I assume it has been done, and we are going to get on screen a wonderful website with Concho theme. And yes, it is here, and the images has been compromised in the demo, but that is not a problem. After all, we are not going to use the demo images, and in fact we need to put our own images. Rest things are here, and it is fine to work, and everything is fine in the demo and the website. Now we can simply check the page. Okay, so the page is also good, and I'll show you the service pages as I shown during the original demo website. And this is now at our website. This is fine, and finally we have completed the installation. All things are here. So we got a wonderful website in this activity. Now I'll show you the theme options, what controls we are having, and the WordPress installation with the Concho theme. To the dashboard, and database update is required. Simply update the database. Let's continue. And now at the installation we have header controls, footers, mega menus, and under appearance we can check Concho option is here, so I'll show you the Concho option. And this is the Concho admin panel through which we can control our website. This is general setting, layout options, breadcrumb option, all page options, and in the all page post option 404 under construction option, visit area, WooCommerce, sociable, hooks, custom fonts, backup, Concho log, plugin options, portfolio, and all things are here. So you can use these options to run your website, and it is fine to work. And now I'll simply show you how to edit the content of page. Let us assume we need to edit the content of home page itself. So just load the page which you want to edit, for which content you want to edit, and just click on edit page. And just click on the pencil icon. On the pencil icon, you can choose whatever you want to edit, and just click on pencil icon, and you can edit the portion. And you can also add or remove using this, add and remove section using the WP Bakery page builder, and it is simple to use. Even a non-technical person can do this activity. So it is all is fine with this theme. And if you are having any question, you can simply write in the comment section of this video, and I am also going to give you the link of my website where you can get this theme, and you can even start a direct interaction with me on the comment of that page, and you can of course get this theme there. And just subscribe the channel and get the theme, and all will be good. Rest assured about all this, and I believe you like this video and subscribe this video. I am going to bring some more wonderful themes and plugins for you. Thanks for watching.